Imagine waking up to find that while you were sleeping, AI made profitable crypto trades for you. No charts, no stress, no emotions, just pure automation. But is AI trading really profitable? Or is it just another overhyped trend? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to trade crypto, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. We'll cover the best AI tools, real profit strategies, and how to avoid the biggest AI trading mistakes. Stick around until the end. I'll even reveal a free way to test AI trading without risking real money. Chapter 1. How AI Trading Works. First, let's break down how AI crypto trading actually works. AI trading uses machine learning and algorithms to analyze massive amounts of market data, faster than any human. It spots patterns, predicts price movements, and executes trades automatically. There are three main types of AI trading bots. 1. Trend-following bots. These detect and follow price trends, buying in uptrends and selling in downtrends. 2. Arbitrage bots. These take advantage of price differences between exchanges. 3. Market-making bots. These provide liquidity by constantly placing buy and sell orders to profit from small price movements. But AI isn't magic. It still requires the right setup and strategy to actually make money. Chapter 2. Setting up AI trading. Step by step, let's set up your first AI trading system. Here's how to do it in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose an AI trading bot. Some of the best platforms include 3 Commas. Great for beginners, offers AI-powered automated trading. Pionex comes with built-in bots and no monthly fees. Crypto Hopper, customizable AI, signals, and copy trading. Step 2. Connect to an exchange. Most AI bots work with exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase Pro. Simply connect your API key so the bot can trade for you without holding your funds. Step 3. Configure trading strategies. You can choose preset AI strategies or customize your own. 1. Long-term HODL mode. AI buys dips and holds for long-term gains. 2nd, scalping mode. AI makes dozens of small trades daily. 3rd, risk-managed strategy. AI uses stop-loss and take-profit levels to protect funds. Step 4. Backtest before trading. Before going live, always backtest the AI on past market data. This helps you see if your settings would have been profitable in real market conditions. Chapter 3. How to make AI trading profitable. AI can be powerful, but most people lose money because they don't optimize their strategy. Here's how to actually make AI trading profitable. 1. Choose the right AI bot for market conditions. If the market is trending up, use a trend-following bot. If the market is sideways, use a market-making bot. If volatility is high, use a grid bot for buying and selling at set intervals. 2. Avoid over-optimization. Many traders tweak AI settings too much, making it only work for past data, not future markets. Keep strategies simple and adaptive. 3. Set stop-loss and take profit levels. Never let AI trade without risk management. Set stop-losses to protect your capital and take profit levels to lock in gains. Chapter 4. Biggest AI trading mistakes to avoid. Many beginners lose money using AI because of these 3 major mistakes. 1. Letting AI trade without supervision. AI isn't perfect. Always check its performance and adjust settings if needed. 2. Using high-leverage AI bots. AI plus leverage can be dangerous. Many traders get liquidated because they trust AI too much. 3. Falling for AI trading scams. If a platform guarantees profits, it's a scam. Real AI trading has risks and rewards. Chapter 5. The future of AI in crypto trading. AI trading is evolving fast. In the next few years, we'll see more advanced machine learning for predicting trends. AI-powered copy trading. Follow expert traders automatically. Decentralized AI trading. Fully autonomous AI with no middleman. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and use AI smartly, not blindly. Final thoughts, plus call to action. So, can AI really make you rich trading crypto? The answer, yes, but only if used correctly. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic money machine. Those who understand how to use it properly will have the biggest advantage. Want to start AI trading for free? Check out the links in the description for free trials and demo accounts. Subscribe for more crypto insights